Hello, welcome to ClinCode Pay Rules tutorial series. Today we'll learn how to hide the PayPal Express checkout button in Shopify checkout page using ClinCode Pay Rules. First, navigate to the All Rules page of our app. Here you can manage all your payment rules. Click on the Add a New Rule button. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Now skip all these sections and scroll to the bottom for PayPal Express checkout section. Enable this option to hide the PayPal Express checkout button at the initial stage of checkout, no matter what other conditions are. The PayPal payment option will remain hidden until the customer provides their shipping address. Let's return to the Shopify checkout page to check if the PayPal Express checkout option has disappeared. As expected, PayPal Express checkout option is not available anymore. Now let's try to fill up the shipping address fields. After updating the shipping information, the PayPal Express checkout option reappears. Please note that the PayPal button will be hidden as well. Currently, the Shopify API does not allow these to be hidden separately. Also, this hiding effect only applies to the initial load of the checkout page. For example, if a customer moves to the payment step and then returns to the information step, the PayPal button will reappear. That's it. Simple way to manage PayPal Express checkout with ClinCode Pay Rules. Contact us if you need help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.